Are you ready to get started? All right. Hi guys. So we have a fun little project to do today. We will be installing the Furrion Vision S backup camera. Sorry, I was cutting off your head there. So we've wanted a backup camera for a while, right?
Yes.
And today we finally got our hands on one, so we'll be doing the install.
So as Ray said, we've been wanting a backup camera since we hit the road, since this is a 42-foot fifth wheel we pull behind us, and changing lanes when we first started was a little scary. However, on reading the reviews of a lot of the wireless systems for a long rig like ours, they didn't get great reviews in terms of reception. There are plenty of models out there, and there's actually wired models, and we even considered buying one of those a couple years ago, but we just didn't want to have to run the cables from the back all the way to the front anyway, so we delayed. But then Furrion reached out to us and offered to send us this Vision S system, their new fancy system, and we said yes. So thank you, Furrion, for sending this out, and so we're going to install it and let you know how it does over the next couple of videos.
So what's in the box?
So we already opened it up and looked at all the manuals. So this is like their big fancy box. It has the 7-inch screen, which is right here. So that's oh, sorry, did I touch you?
She's interested.
So a nice 7-inch screen. So that should be plenty for visibility behind you. It's got a nice little antenna.
I'll take that.
Okay. In this system, it actually has 4 cameras, which is pretty cool. I know. So these are your side cameras. They have one for the left and the right. So they'll go on the side of the RV like that and look at that. So that's going to be really nice. It's easier than kind of like, you know, shaking the RV a little bit so I can like see down each side.
Yeah. Those are the real professional driving skill tips here.
This is what they call their rear view camera. It actually goes like that. Okay. And this is the traditional back camera called the...
It is not playtime, Missy. Okay.
Called the shark fin is what they call it. So some of the newer Grand designs actually come with these docks built in. So you're able to just literally screw in these cameras and they're good to go. They're already powered, everything.
Yeah, I'm a little jealous we don't have that.
I know. But we do have the shark fin.
Yes. It's just empty right now. So we already have this casing on the back of our rig, which you'll see later. And
the power's already run, so it's literally just a plug-in cable, which is going to be really nice. With this whole model, it's been a little confusing for us because we have this one on the back of the RV already pre-wired. They call this one the observation camera or the doorway camera. So because you get a rear view camera here with the light, then you can also mount this one above your door because you can actually bring the screen inside.
And use this as a security feature.
Yeah.
Right, when you're parked. That one's definitely going to be the rear camera.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you when we get outside. We were thinking, well, maybe we could put this one as the door camera, but we'll show you our porch light is much larger than this. So I think the hole isn't gonna fit.
And then we were also thinking like maybe we'll put this one down at the bottom near the bumper. So this will be like our low camera, and then this will be like our high camera so we can see something like immediately behind the bumper. And then, you know, have this one for the distance. But this is the same size as like our top light. So I don't know. we'll figure it out. We may not install this one today.
Yeah, until we find a good place for it.
Yeah, but we will be installing the side view and the shark fin most definitely. So let's see what else comes in here. I know it comes with 2 like holders.
Okay.
So you're
like one for inside, one for the truck?
Yeah, so
okay.
This is like a little desktop holder for the screen.
Okay.
This is your traditional suction cup. So that'll be for the window in the truck. Another thing, and then some cables and antennas. All right, awesome. Perfect.
All right, are you ready for this?
Yeah, as ready as I'll ever be.
Yes. Oh, Carmen's ready to go. All right, let's go.
Let's go, all right, so for this job, it's pretty simple. We already had all of the tools. This is just to cut through the existing sealant, although you don't need this, you can use anything. This is new sealant, so we use GeoCell flexible sealant. Multimeter to make sure that the power is off. This just so we can cut the cables, and then wing nuts. These probably aren't the best, but they're what we have, so.
Yep, gotta use what you have.
Exactly, and a screwdriver. So that's it, let's get started. We're gonna do the door side marker light first. Will be our power.
Okay.
And this will be our ground.
How can you tell?
Colors.
Oh, okay.
At least they've wired all the whites together,
okay.
Which is our neutrals.
Okay.
So to get started, you get to remove the camera. And I know the newer Grand Designs actually come with these pre-installed. So all you have to do is take out 2 screws and then slide the camera in and put 2 screws in.
Yeah, so you don't have to do any electrical like we're doing.
Yeah, but the thing that we just found out is it doesn't come with screws.
Right.
So it has a place for 4 screws on here, but our previous marker light was only used 2. So we have to reuse our screws, which isn't a big deal, but it doesn't say anywhere to like buy them, not under the prepared section or anything like that. So that's a little irritating. But
we found it later in here that said, you know, you need to get these screws, but under prepare it doesn't tell us that we need those screws. So oh well.
Yeah, we'll just unscrew it with 2 screws now and buy more later when hardware stores open up.
Yes.
So it's pretty simple. The new marker light comes with labeled, so you have 1 ground, and then a positive for the camera and a positive for the light. So those 2 will go to our 12-volt power, and then the ground will go with the rest of our grounds. So that's it.
Yeah. All right. So Jason has connected the wires, and we are now going to test that it works before we screw it in, because that would suck if it didn't. And then we had to pull these wires back out to see what was up. So this is the mount, and then like Jason said earlier, this is the camera. So we're just gonna plug this in, and you got the monitor?
Yep.
Okay, we have to plug that into the truck?
So we have to plug this into the truck. It has the cigarette port thing.
Okay.
And then we actually have to plug the trailer into the truck too to get power to these running lights.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, let's test it. So we have the monitor plugged in.
The trailer is plugged in.
Yes. So I'm gonna now go plug this in, and we're gonna see if it works, because it's looking for cameras.
Great. All right, I'm gonna plug in I'm gonna turn the light on. Tell me if you can see light from the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So now, nice. We see light. So at least that part's working. Oh, wow. I just looked down and it's already paired. Yeah.
You're already connected?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's working. Yeah, you can, it's really glary, but you can see Ray. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna screw it into the RV now. Boom! Door side camera done. So let's go see how it looks in the thing, all installed. Okay, we got no camera. Now let's turn on our truck lights. What do we got? Oh, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a good view too, because it's like you can just see the edge of the RV. So that's gonna be nice all the way down the side.
Yeah.
Perfect. You can tell if there's something there or not very clearly, which is
the goal.
Is all I care about, really. Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to do the other one?
Yeah, we got three more. Two more?
Two more.
Two more.
Because we don't know what we're doing with the fourth camera.
All right. And just like that, we got a second one done.
Don't mind our dirty center console here, but what are we doing?
So apparently they prefer you to sync this before you get up on a ladder and all that. So I did see this. This just comes off of the monitor power cable, and I was wondering what it was.
Yeah.
But apparently it's another power output for.
Oh, that's nice.
For this. No.
So you can sync it first.
Yes.
Got it. Oh, wow.
There you go. It's already synced.
Oh, and there are the other two.
Right.
Nice.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. So this one should be, we're hoping, an easier plug and play kind of dealio, since we already have the Furrion shroud back there.
Yeah, so we just take the camera off of this, screw it into the shroud, and there should be power. One thing that we know about the power is that it is wired directly into the 12-volt system, so it's also kind of like a security camera thing. It's always on. We're just going to use that for now, because we don't know if it's too hot, but
yeah, we'll explain what the alternative is.
Yeah, so we've seen other people who, when you're boondocking, if you want to conserve power as much as possible, or just keep the camera off to kind of conserve its life, you can pull power down from one of the rear marker lights. So we might do that in the future if we ever get around to installing the other camera as well.
Yes.
But for now, we're going for the easy mode.
Yep. Cool. Well, let's go do it.
So we are done, it's mounted. We just came back to the truck to make sure that it was tilted correctly, and it looks like what it was set to will work for us.
Yeah.
So it has these little like reception bar things, and it keeps going between 1 and 2 bars of reception, so we'll have to see. Maybe we'll figure out how to get this antenna up higher or something. Mm-hmm. But for now, it looks clear enough. I mean, let's see.
Oh, okay. So
yeah, it looks a little bit better. So it's just the back. It has these like funny parking line things you can turn like on or off. All right.
Okay, go to the one with Carmen.
The one with Carmen. What's she up to?
Yeah, I see her down there. Okay, cool.
And then this is our utility side. So I guess that's still pretty cool. I mean,
yeah, I feel like you can see more of the side of the RV on this side than the other one.
yeah.
But that might be the way we did it.
Could just be the way we installed it. But still, I mean, that's, yeah, like you can actually see it, where on the other side, it's kind of there. You can still see it a little bit, but maybe we'll see it when the slide's in. But like, either way's fine, yeah.
Interesting.
All right, so I would rate the install as relatively easy. If you know your way around basic 12-volt electrical, we feel pretty confident with our install.
You know that stuff. I just watch.
Yeah.
But you're getting pretty good at it.
Yeah, I've done
some of the upgrades we've been doing.
I've been doing a lot more, and a lot of smart RV stuff has helped. I am definitely interested to see how the reception does as we're driving down the road, and we will be moving shortly, so we'll be able to test that out and let you know. So keep an eye on our videos. You're just gonna have to keep watching too.
You're gonna have to keep watching. Oh, that reminds me. So we are doing a giveaway on our Instagram account soon. We're just waiting for the package to arrive from Furrion. It is not a backup camera. Sorry if I got you a little excited there, but it is their outdoor waterproof Bluetooth speaker. So we're excited to try it out, and then we asked for an extra one to give away. So they said yes. So we're very excited that Furrion is doing that for you guys and for us. I don't know exactly when that's gonna be yet. Again, we're just waiting for the package, and things have been a little hectic with the pandemic and stuff with getting mail. So you can follow our Instagram account now, which is at getaway_couple, just to get a head start and make sure that you see the post whenever we get it up, because I don't know if we'll have time to mention it again in a video before Instagram. Managing all these social platforms gets a little crazy sometimes. But anyway, this is your heads up that we're hosting a giveaway. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our Getaway gang. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Since we do have this huge 42-foot fifth wheel, you want to get up here? Get up here. Get up here. Let's start over. Yeah, I'm gonna start over. You interrupted me.
Okay.
All right.
You turned off the power, right? Just in case.
I did turn off the power.
Okay.
Oh, why are we taking this off, you ask? It came with a gasket.
That we had ready to go.
Cool, so how are we gonna get this cable through there?
Oh no.
That's all right. We'll modify this one, and then the future ones
Well, no.
we'll remember.